viewers, I am very much delighted to see you and thank you very much for watching this video. If you are my new viewers, welcome to my channel. And this channel I have made for learning English grammar, vocabulary, phrases and pronunciation for everyday English. Today we are going to learn the common uses of the word common, and that is how to use common in everyday English. Let's get started. Common. The word common, it is an adjective that means something is the same for two or more people. For example, if I say Rohim is the common name in Bangladesh, so that means most of the people whose names are Rohim, right? So Rohim is the common name in Bangladesh. You see this common has been used as an adjective here. See the next example. My friends and I have a lot of common interests. My friends and I have a lot of common interests. What does it mean? That means my friends and I like the most same things. Third, common can be used for telling something that happens very often. How? Let's see these examples. Hot weather or boiling weather in the summer is common in Bangladesh. So here you see that the weather, right? Hot weather, the boiling weather is very common in the summer, right? It's very common in the summer, the boiling weather we can see, very hot weather. So we have used the word common here because it's something that happens very often. Let's know another example. If I said it's very common to make some sweet desserts on Eid days in Bangladesh. You know what are the sweet desserts? Shimai, fini, jorda, right? So you can say that it's common or it's very common to make sweet desserts on Eid days in Bangladesh. The word common, it can be used as noun. How? Let's see this example. I love English, and if you do too, we have that in common. Right? I love English, and if you do too, we have that in common. My brother and I have a lot of things in common, like our love of football. It means when we are going to share the same experiences. So that is the meaning of this word common here.